What's up YouTube? Thank you for coming back to my channel. I hope you liked the last video. Today we're gonna do another kind of tutorial. We're gonna have another cookies to photograph. We're doing it here at home. Outside is kind of cloudy and it's rainy, and we cannot do anything right now outside. So we're gonna do this here in the dining room table. We're gonna do it similar to what we did last time. We're gonna set up the black poster boards. We're gonna have another one white to feel a little bit of the light. The difference that we're gonna do today is that we're gonna use a speed light. Last time we'd use a rim light, and it worked fine, and I was very pleased with the results of the cheesecake. And if you haven't seen that video, you can watch it on my channel. And the cheesecake was great. The photos came out really great. Even I was using just one light, which is the ring light that I'm using right now. But today we're gonna try do it with a different light. We're gonna use a speed light and probably a soft box, not too big because I don't have a lot of room here. But we'll see how that goes. And this cookies looks delicious, and hopefully the results of the photos come back. And this is another idea that you can see and you can do at home. And this is what we're gonna do. And if you comment below, leave me your comments. I'll be happy to read them, and subscribe. And let's start. These are the cookies that we're gonna take photos today. These are already done, and they're pretty much ready to sell. That's pretty much the end result of the cookies. But we have the raw cookies here. We have some powdered sugar here, and we're gonna use this as a base this time. We'll see what we're gonna do about that, but we're gonna use this. I found this in one of the craft stores, so you can use whatever. So I love the texture, I love the wood pattern, and hopefully this works. And if you're curious what is this, I'll show you here. It's this. I don't know if I will hang this in my wall, but it's perfect for what we need today. So we're gonna use this. I have everything, and I'm gonna set up the light now. Okay, so I have the cookies, I have some cinnamon sticks, I have the cookies on the back, and the mug with some milk foam. So you have to prepare, you have to do a little bit of a preparation in advance, but we're gonna do this. I have this, I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it because I have some powdered sugar that I want to use. But we're gonna start with this, so let's see how this goes. All right, I have my camera here, and see if you can see the settings right there. It's gonna be using the speed light. We're gonna use it at 1 of 30th second, 1 of a 30th. I don't know how to say that number, but you see it. So that's gonna be one flash. Let's do one test here. All right, I don't know if you can see, this is the first one. We'll see. I think I like to move the cookies a little bit on this way. Leave the mug on the background like this, and the cookies a little more like that. Hopefully I don't get a lot of reflection there, but we'll see here. I like how the dramatic shot is getting, that most of the background is getting a little darker, but I'm gonna increase a little bit the power of the light to 1/16 of a second there. I don't know. Oh, here is it. There you go. Let's see how this goes here. And I'm moving a little bit around so you can see different angles. Oh, I think I like this one too. Okay, let's put a little bit more foam here. Keep in mind that I'm working with whatever I have in the kitchen. So this is just milk, warm milk, and some coffee creamer. So we're doing this foam, so it's working here, and we'll see if that sticks. All right, let's put this back here too. I think I'm gonna try only this. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna take it from above. So I need like a stool. Let's go back a little bit on this. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take. This is one of the advantages to having a camera that you can flip the screen. So I took it from above so you can see the result. So I took it like that and just flip the screen. So it's very handy. So what am I gonna do is I'm gonna use one of the cookies that have already the powdered sugar, and I'm gonna place them in here. I'm gonna replace some of these cookies. I'm gonna place some of these cookies, thinking that these are not done yet. So now we're gonna have the other cookies here. Kind of same thing. Put them just like that, so they're kind of a little bit on the background, blur. And just so you know, I'm using Nikon lens, the 16 to 80. It's a kit lens, no, it's not one of those prime lenses. Just another thing to show that you can do this with whatever you have at home and whatever you have on your kid's camera. Let's do this here. Oh my god, these are looking good. And this looks so yummy. There you go. So now I'm gonna move this back a little bit this way. This was more in front, so it's a blur. I'm gonna move the coffee over there. Again, I'm gonna have this here. I'm going to sprinkle some powdered sugar here. So it looks a little messy, but I think it's gonna get more into, it gives a better looking effect. My settings are gonna be still right now 1/16 of a second, so using the speed light. Let's take some pictures here. These are looking good and yummy. Let's see if I can have a little close up here. The only problem is that since I have this already, as I put the powder around, it's gonna be, if I move it, it's gonna mess everything up. So I'm gonna try to keep it like that and take some more photos like this. Right now I'm shooting also, my ISO is 160. I have 3.8 an aperture and 1/200 of a second for the exposure. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna include one of the tools here. So I'm gonna put this in the background, so making sure that there's some little things that, you know, this is more homemade, yummy, and they're ready to for you to eat. So I'm gonna put this maybe right there. I don't know if this is gonna work, but it's in the background, and I think that's enough. Let's see. All right, I think I want to take one more from above. See how this looks. So I'm gonna switch to my live view here on the screen and making sure I have everything center. Ooh, that looks nice. I like that. Awesome. So here is a little bit of the reflection. There you go. We'll put this in the computer and we'll process that later on. So for now, I think I want to do one more thing before we finish here. And what am I going to do is going back, mix a little bit of the cookies from these ones without the sugar and with the sugar, and we're gonna place one of the bags with the finished cookies in the background. So we're gonna put a little bit of more cookies here so it feels more filled. And it's a little bit of a mix. So I'm trying to find a good composition. And keep in mind, if you're handling food, try to use a glove. And we're gonna leave these cookies around here. So it still looks kind of messy and they're not done. They're just kind of working on that. And finally, we're gonna leave this back on here. I think this way, so you can see the cookies there. Let's see how that. I think I'm gonna remove this now, and this. I don't think we need it anymore. And finally, let's take a few more shots here, like the coffee mug, and you see this powdered sugar, it's a little messy, so be careful. Okay, I'm taking horizontal and vertical shots, so sure that will be great compositions. I don't think I'm gonna do a lot in post-production, but because this looks really good. All right, I think that's it. I think we got the shot, and thank you for watching. So we'll put this on the computer, and we're gonna edit those, and hopefully you like the result. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Subscribe. You can visit my Facebook page, and I'll see you later.